You've got projects running, deadlines looming, and a dozen tasks needing your attention, right? But here's the real question. Are you spending precious minutes manually checking Wrike for updates? Or even worse, waiting for someone to tell you something has changed? Stop that. In the world of project management, waiting is losing. You need to know the second a task is completed, a status changes, or a comment is added, without being glued to your Wrike dashboard. That manual checking isn't just inefficient, it's a productivity killer. But what if I told you there's a way to set it and forget it? A way to have instant, customized notifications sent directly to you or your team in Slack, Gmail, or wherever you work, the very moment a critical event happens in Wrike. That's where the magic combination of Wrike and Zapier comes in. This isn't about just getting more notifications. It's about getting the right notifications delivered to the right place, instantly. Today, we're cutting out the manual middleman. I'm going to show you exactly how to build a Zap that automates your Wrike notifications, giving you back those crucial minutes you're currently wasting on refreshing your browser. Let's dive in. The first step is to jump into Zapier and click Create Zap. Zapier works on the principle of a trigger and an action. In our case, the trigger is the event happening in Wrike. So, select Wrike as your trigger app. For the trigger event, you have a few powerful options. You could choose New Task, New Comment, or my personal favorite for instant updates, Task Status Updated. Pick Task Status Updated and connect your Wrike account. You'll then be prompted to select the specific space, folder, or project you want to monitor. Keep it targeted so you only get notifications for what truly matters. Test that trigger to pull in a sample task. This confirms Zapier can see your Wrike data. Now for the action, what you want to happen when that status changes. This is where the automation is fully customizable. Do you want the notification in Slack? Select Slack as your action app. Want an email reminder? Select Gmail. For a common scenario, let's select Slack. Choose the action event as Send Channel Message. Connect your Slack account, and now you build the notification message itself. Select the Slack channel where the alert should go. Then, in the message text box, you don't type a static message. Instead, you click and insert dynamic data pulled directly from the Wrike trigger step. You can craft a perfect message like Wrike Update. The task, insert task title in the project, insert project name, has been updated to insert new status by insert changed by username. This makes the notification instantly meaningful. You can also use a Zapier feature called a filter between the trigger and action steps. This is key for avoiding noise. For example, you can set a filter that says, only continue if the new status field in Wrike exactly matches completed or needs review. This ensures you only get notified for critical status changes, not every minor adjustment. Test the action, turn your Zap on, and congratulations. You have just replaced manual checking with instant, targeted automation. The second a high-priority task hits completed, you or your team get a custom ping, ready to move on to the next step without lifting a finger. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.